This is probably the first video in world where a topo sheet is being used with real project locations and sites of the dams planned by Karnataka government for diversion, and the most controversial and most discussed and most visited project is the Kalsa Nala diversion project or Kalsa Dam, and the Nala and the interconnecting structure, that is this, and you can see the Malaprabha river here clearly depicted. So this is the channel of Malaprabha where they want to discharge the this red this one interconnecting tunnel. This is the water that is spread, and by impounding the water in the near Kankumbi. Now this flow here is very important for Goa because it's a source of Surla Nadi. And at this point, if the water is impounded, then there would be definitely reduction in the flow which comes down like this and joins the Mahadayi river. Then the other side also, the Karnataka plans to cut off water flowing in Goa by building Bandura Nala and all those structures here. So we can see on both sides Goa will be blocked. Bandura Nala flows like this. A very important confluence of two tributaries which gives us the major flow of the Mahadayi river.